This conference will now be recorded.
Good evening, everyone. So in the last class, we were talking about the data types, the variables, how to declare a variable, how to assign a value to a variable, what are the different data types that are available, and how to print the value of a variable using system.out or println, and how to perform some operations, and what happens when we perform any arithmetic operation using the lower data type and the higher data type. Hope you guys are clear with that. Do you have any doubts or any confusion of the previous topics, whatever has been done? Okay, good. So today we shall understand about the operators. So what are the different types of operators that are available? How do we perform the operations using those operators? So generally, what is an operator? What is an operator? Operator is the one which is used to perform some operation on an operand. Operator is the one which is used to perform some operation on operand. What operation? It can be any operation. For example, let us take a scissor. Scissor is an operator which performs an operation on an operand. Operand is a paper. Okay, scissor is an operator. Okay, scissor performs operation on a paper. So paper is an operand. Scissor is an operator. Okay, it's like that. So in Java, we have different types of operators. Okay, we have arithmetic operators. We have arithmetic operators. Plus, minus, multiplication, division, and modulus. Okay, what is this? Modulus. Hope you guys are clear with plus, minus, multiplication, division. So let us more concentrate on modulus. What does the modulus do? Modulus gives us the reminder. Okay, modulus gives us what? A reminder. Let us see. 7 mod 3. What does modulus will do? Modulus will take 7 and it will divide by 3. 3 twos are 6, 1. So 1 is the reminder. So 7 mod 3 will give us the result 1. Now let me take 9 mod 19 mod 5. So 19 divided by 5. 5 threes are 50. So 4. So 4 is the modulus here. Okay. 27 mod 3. 27 divided by 3. 3 nines are 27. 0. So modulus is 0. Okay. Similarly, if someone does like this, 7 mod 9. So now what will be the answer? 7 divided by 9. 9 zeros are 0 and 7 is the modulus. It's like this. So modulus operator will give us always the reminder. Okay. plus test A seven minus 3, 6 into 4, 15 divided by 3, okay, then 19 mod 3. Let us run this. See, 10 plus 5 is 15, 7 minus 3 is 4, 6 into 4 is 24, 5 by 3 is 5, sorry, 15 by 3 is 5, and 19 mod 3 is 1. Why? Because 3 6 are 18, so 1 will be the remainder if you divide 19 by 3. So this is how the arithmetic operators are going to work. Clear? Do you have any doubt on this, guys? Okay. Now we have,
Sorry, Vikas, I was on mute. I was talking.
yeah, tell me.
The mod symbol on the keyboard, is it the percentage symbol on the keyboard?
Exactly. It's
Okay.
a percentage symbol.
All
It's
right,
on
thank
top of number 5. Okay. So modulus symbol is nothing but the percentage symbol, guys. So this is the percentage symbol. Okay. Yes. Then we have one more operator called as relational operator. Relational operator like greater than, lesser than, greater than or equal to, lesser than or equal to, not equal to, and equal to. So these are the relational operators that are available. Greater than, lesser than, greater than or equal to, lesser than or equal to, not equal to, and equal to. So here there is one thing that we need to understand. Whenever we perform a operation with the relational operators, the output will be always a Boolean expression or a Boolean value. For example, if you tell 5 greater than 2, 5 greater than 2, the result will be true. It will not tell either 2 or 5. Okay, it will tell you true or false. 17 less than 6. Is 17 less than 6? No, so it is false. Okay, 9 equal to 9. What is the answer? Yes, 9 is equal to 9. So the result will be true. 6 greater than 6. Is it 6 greater than 6? No. so false. 6 greater than or equal to 6? Is 6 greater than or equal to 6? Is it 6 greater than 6? No, but is it equal to 6? Yes. So the result will be true. 7 not equal to 9? Yes, 7 is not equal to 9. So when we perform any operation using the relational operator, the result will be a Boolean, true or false. Okay, let us see. Now I will tell 5 greater than 2. So let us run it. So 5 greater than 2, it's true. Yes. So then I will tell 15 less than 6. Is it 15 less than 6? No. So it's telling false. Let me check this. 7 greater than 7? No. Okay. Let me check 7 greater than or equal to 7? Yes, it is telling true. Let me check 7 equal to 7. Yes, 7 is equal to 7. Check 9 not equal to 7. Yes, 9 is not equal to 7. 9 not equal to, no. 9 is equal to 9. So I can't tell 9 is not equal to 9, right? So whenever we perform any operation using relational operator, the result will be always what? Boolean. Remember this. Then we have unary operators. Then we have what? Unary operators. We have unary minus, increment, and decrement operators. Okay, so we call this was increment operator, and we call this as decrement operator. Okay, increment operator will increase the value of a variable by 1. Decrement operator will decrease the value of a variable by 1. So this is unary minus. Okay, unary minus is used to represent a negative number. Increment operator is used to increase the value of a variable by 1. Decrement operator is used to decrease the value of a variable by 1. Okay, so these are the unary operators that are available. Okay, increment operator and decrement operator. Increment operator and decrement operator can be used only on variables. Increment operator and decrement operator can be used only on variables. Unary minus, it can be used on a variable or it can be used on anything. Clear? On a value also directly. Okay, means minus 5. This is correct. plus 5, no, this cannot be done. Minus minus 6, no, you can't do this. Or 7 plus, no, you can't do this. 8 minus minus, no, you can't do this. Okay, why? Because increment and decrement operators can be used only on the variables. Okay, increment operator. Plus means increase the value of a variable by 1. Int a is equals to 5. If you tell a plus, let us see what happens. So 5 is the value stored in a. When computer execute this line, a plus means what? Increase the value of the variable by 1. So what is the value of a variable now? It is 5. So increase it by 1. So it will become 6. So now if you print a, you will get a value 6. Now int m is equals to 10. M plus. So what will be the value present in m initially? 10. So when m plus happens, it will become 11. Okay. So similarly, int x is equals to 6. You can tell plus x as well. It works similarly. X is 6. When plus x executes, it becomes 7. Int y is equals to 10. 19. Plus y. So y was 19. When this line executes, y becomes 20. So similarly, the decrement operators also, they will decrease the value of a variable by 1. If we go with the decrement operators, int a is equals to 6, a minus. So a minus means decrease the value of a variable by 1, so it becomes 5. Well, I can do like this as well. Minus b. So b is 10 initially, minus b, it will decrease the value of b by 1, so it will become 9. Clear? String array. See, it's not compiling. Why? Because S capital I should make. So now int is equals to 5. Then I'll tell a plus. Print the value of a. See, it becomes 6. Here a is 5, then we are making a plus, so it will become 6. Int b is equals to 10 plus b. Then let me print b. So what will be the output? 11. Because plus plus means what? Increase the value of a variable by 1. See, it becomes 11. Clear? Either you can tell plus plus b or a plus plus or b plus plus. The things remain same. Plus plus means increase the value of a variable by 1. So now let us print the value of m. M is 7. M minus minus means decrease the value of a variable by 1. So m will become what? 6. See, it is 6. So now let me print n, run. So the output is 8. Clear? So how does the increment and decrement operators work? Clear? So when we do plus plus, the value of the variable will be increased by 1. When we do minus minus, the value of the variables will decrease by 1. Okay guys, do you have any doubt or any question on these operators? Any questions guys?
I got a question. When you are showing the modulus, you put like public static void main string, then you put
Okay.
uh, square bracket, then
Okay. I got it. So this we have array. This we call it as an array. Okay. The declaration of array can be done in 4 ways. Either one of the way can be followed. Okay, when I come into array topic, I will tell you what are the different ways of declaring an array.
oh,
Okay, so this is one more way of declaring an array.
okay,
Yeah, yeah.
got it. Thanks.
Any other doubt, guys? Okay. So now, see, if there is a variable a, we can tell plus plus a, or we can tell a plus plus. Both are correct. Interviewer will ask, hey, what is the difference among this? Difference? Is there any difference? No, we are not seeing any difference actually. Are we seeing any difference? No, not exactly. But will this really make a difference somewhere? Yes, this really makes a difference in some situation. Let us see what is that. Here also a was 5. When we do a plus plus a, it will become 6. Take this m is 16. M plus plus, so it will become 17. So when does the things really make a difference? Let us see that. int x is equals to 10. Int y is equals to plus x. Int y is equals to what? Plus x. Now interviewer will ask, what is the value of x? What is the value of y? So now observe the things carefully. So this is what we call it as pre-increment. What we call this as pre-increment means first increment was, and then you assign a value to a variable. Means first this operation will be performed. X was 10 plus x means what? Increase the value of x by 1. So x became 11, and then this value will be assigned to y. So y is 11 now. Y is 11. Now int p is equals to 20. Int t is equals to p plus plus. So interviewer will ask, what is the value of p and what is the value of t? Let us see. This is called as post increment. This tells, boss, postpone the increment. First you initialize the value to a variable. Postpone your increment. First you initialize a value to a variable. So first the value of p will be assigned to t. What is p? 20. It will be assigned to t first. And then it will perform the increment operation plus plus. Plus plus means what? Increase the value of p by 1. So p will become 21. Okay. So if the increment or decrement operator comes first we should perform the operation and then assign. If the increment or decrement operator comes after the variable, so at that time, first we should assign a value and then perform the operation. Clear? So this is what we call it as post increment and pre-increment. In pre-increment, first we will perform the operation and then assign a value to a variable. In post increment, first we assign a value to a variable and then perform the operation. Clear, everyone? Any doubt on this?
Sir, can you repeat the pre-increment operator definition once?
In the pre-increment, first we will increment and then we will assign a value to a variable. First we are implementing. See, first implementation of that. The value of x became 11 and then that value got assigned to y. Int a is equals to 10. Now what will be the question? Int p is equals to plus a. What will be the value of a and what will be the value of b will be the interviewer question. So a is equals to 10. So 10 is present in a. So we should assign a value to b now. So but what is the operator here? Plus means what? Increment. So now we should check, is it post increment or pre-increment? This is pre-increment because increment operator is before the variable. So first what you should do, perform this entire operation. Plus a means what? We have already understood. Whenever plus comes, we should increase the value of variable by 1. So increase the value of the variable by 1 first.
Okay.
And then the value of this will be assigned to B.
Mm-hmm.
So what is the value of A now? 11. So
Mhm.
assign it to B. So B becomes 11 now.
Okay.
Clear?
Yeah.
So same thing we shall see here. One more example. Int C is equals to 16.
Mm-hmm.
So now someone will tell int D is equals to C++. So C, so what is the value? 16 is there. D, we have to load it. D is equals to C plus plus. So we should see, is it post or pre? It is post. Why? Because plus plus is coming after the variable. So first you assign a value of C to a variable D. So what is present in C? 16. So load it into D. Now D became 16. So then increment the value of the variable C. Why? Because there is plus plus. Plus plus means increment the value of the variable C. So increment it. So it will become 70.
Okay.
Clear?
Yeah.
So here we call it as post increment. We are postponing the increment. First we are initializing, then we are incrementing. So postponed the increment operation here. But
Okay.
here pre. Why? Because first we are performing the increment.
Okay.
Clear?
Clear. Clear. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Start learning with string array as the argument. Int a is equals to 5. B is okay. What is this? Just put it in a comment. Pre-increment. First, okay, let me not give it. Let me run this first. Clear? So A is also 6, B is also 6. Here, so A was 10, so first increment happened, so it became 11, and then that 11 got initialized to B also. So if you want, just make it as 10. Clear? Understood? So what is this? Pre-increment. So now let us see post increment. Int m is equals to 10. Int n is equals to m plus plus. M is clear. So here it is post increment. Okay. If you look here, okay, I'll make it as CD only for your understanding. That's it. C is 16. C is 16. So first is post increment. So first it will initialize and then it will increment. Okay, so C value will be loaded into D and then the value of C gets increment. See, 16 is loaded into D and then it got incremented. So C is 17, D remains 16 still. Clear? String array int a is equals to 10 and b is equals to minus minus a. A is a. Okay, so this is what? Pre-decrement. Pre-decrement. So decrements the value of by 1. Okay, so first it will decrement and then it will assign. So now let us see this. Int m is equals to 5. Int m is post decrement. So first m value will be assigned to n. So n will be 5 and m minus minus. So m will become 4. Clear everyone? Fine. Do you have any doubt on this, guys? Any doubt or do you have any question or any confusions? Let me know. I will help you out and will clear it. Clear everyone? Fine. Then we have something called as logical operators. Okay, so
Vikas, sorry to interrupt. Did
yeah,
we already discuss unary minus?
okay, unary minus there is nothing. Okay, so it's just used to represent a negative number.
Okay.
Okay, like if you want to print any number as negative, right? You can use unary minus. Okay. So A is a So minus 5. If you want to make any number as negative, then you can make use of unary minus. Okay. It's just like that.
Oh,
Okay, there is nothing much
oh, I thought
strange.
if int a was 5. No,
Okay.
sorry.
Yeah, you can do like this also. Minus e.
Oh,
Anything
minus
is.
a. Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay.
It can be used on a variable and value also.
Oh, okay, okay.
But increment and decrement operators, they cannot be used on a number. See,
Right.
I can't tell 5 plus plus. This will not work.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
Clear, guys? Anyone else has any other doubt? Okay, logical operators. We have AND operator, OR operator, NOT operator. For AND, we have an ampersand. For OR, we have a pipeline symbol. For NOT, we have exclamation. Okay, so AND operator, OR operator, and NOT operator. When it comes to AND operator, if I consider there are two conditions. Condition 1, condition 2. So at that time, if I perform condition 1 and condition 2. If condition 1 is true and if condition 2 is also true, then the result will be true. If condition 1 is true and condition 2 is false, then the result will be false. If the condition 1 is false and condition 2 is true, the result will be false. If condition 1 is false, condition 2 is also false, the result will be false. So if you look in the AND operator, if all the conditions are true, then the result will be true. If any one of the condition is false, then the result will be false. Understood? This is how the AND operator works. Okay? Okay, this is how the AND operator works. So when we are checking for two conditions, if both the conditions are true, it will be true. Otherwise, it will be false. If any one of the condition is false, then the AND operator will give you the result as false. So let us check for R. It's a pipeline. It is above your backward slash. Okay, it's above your backward slash. Pipeline symbol. Condition 1, condition 2. If condition 1 is true, condition 2 is also true, the result will be true. If condition 1 is false, if condition 1 is true and condition 2 is false, the result will be true. If condition 1 is false, condition 2 is true, the result will be true. Condition 1 is false, condition 2 is false, then the result will be okay. If all the conditions are false, then only our operation will be false, or else it will be true. If any one of the condition is true in the OR operation, so then the result will be true. Okay, OR operation will give us false only if all the conditions are false. Clear? Then we have a NOT operator. Condition, not of condition. If condition is true, not of condition, it will become false. If condition is false, not of condition will become true. Clear? So these are the logical operators that we are having: and, or, and not. Clear, guys? Do you have any confusions or any question on any of these operators? Okay. Now let us understand one thing in Java. See, whenever we write a code in an industry, we need to put some description telling that what exactly happening in the below code, or what exactly happening in this class, what exactly happening in this method. Okay, for that we have something called as comments. They called as comments. We have different types of comments: documentation, comment, documentation comment, multi-line comment, single line comment. Okay, documentation comment is like this. Okay, where we have line 1, line 2, like that, multiple lines you can put. So multi-line comment, similar to documentation line comment. Okay, multi-line comment. So then we have a single line comment. This is the line. Okay. Okay, this is the serious note here. commented lines will never get compiled. Any line you comment, okay, it will never get compiled. Remember that. Okay, so we have a documentation command, multi-line command, and a single line command. Any comment you use, okay, so that will never get compiled. Clear? I will show you. Okay, so now I will write something. Hi. Right. Okay, so these things will never get compiled. These things are completely only for the sake of reading. Okay, so generally, whenever we are using the commented lines, okay, this is documentation comment. Okay, this gives an description about the document. Okay, so it's like this. Okay, just like this, what exactly this class is doing here. Okay, this is the documentation comment. So similarly, we have a multi-line comment. Okay, okay, so the multi-line comment. This is multi-line comment. Okay, this is single line comment. Like this. So whatever we write inside the comment section, that is not going to be compiled by the compiler. It is only for the sake of developers understanding, only for us to just read. Okay, we are going to use the comments. Clear? Fine. Okay. Do you have any questions, guys? Okay. So tomorrow we shall understand about conditional operators and conditional statements and loops. Clear? Do you have any doubts or confusion about any of the topics covered till now?
Yep, so far good.
Okay. So practice all these things. Okay, go around all the operators, execute the program, see the output. If you get any doubt, just mark those doubts. Okay, you can ask me tomorrow in the class. Okay, clear everyone? Okay, guys. So cool then. Okay, so please practice before you sleep. Okay, see you tomorrow, guys. Thank you.
Thank you.